Well, I did not sleep last night because I was up all night celebrating the Giants going to the Super Bowl. I watched 4 post-game conferences. I watched the game again last night. Yes, I am making a video. I'm going to put this on YouTube. Then I went to the gym at 2:30 in the morning because by the time I finished everything, it was 1:45. I said, "Well, I'm going to go to sleep for. What's the point? I got to get up in a couple hours." So I went to the gym. And I came back, got dressed, and came to work. I haven't slept. I haven't slept since Saturday night.
But don't you normally go to the gym at like 4?
I go to the gym every day, 4 o'clock in the morning. Tough stuff. When you go to the gym early like that, you get to know everybody in there. Because it's only a few. You got the same cycles every day.
Ain't who in there working at 4 o'clock?
At 4 o'clock. It be
24 hours.
It be popping up there about 4 o'clock. Only time where it's dead is between like 1:45 and 3:45. Then there's nobody there.
3:45.
About 4 o'clock, you got people start coming up in the joint. Then you got some nasty people coming in the shower. I don't understand some of the people in the shower. This is me. Now, if y'all do that, I don't want to offend nobody.
I'm glad I ate my sandwich.
I don't understand people that go in there and don't wear shower shoes. I'm like,
I can't do that.
I've been late here. It hasn't happened this year, but there's been times where I went home. Like I finished working out at the One Clothing Heights, and I looked at my bag like I left my shoes. Hey, Miss Lamb, I'm gonna be a little late today. I gotta go home. And I would get and go home, and I see people just walk around barefoot. I'm like, I guess I'm the when it comes to germ. I'm like, I dropped my washcloths one time out my bag, fell out my locker, fell on the floor. I went home. I was like, oh, can't use it now. It's contaminated. All right, this is Mr. Fortune.
Oh, I want a chocolate chip cookie so bad.
Mr. Fortune sitting here at lunch. January, what date is it? I don't even know. Another YouTube video. Diary of Mr. Fortune.